Garage, I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the idle air control valve on your vehicle. So let's get started. The idle air control valve is usually right near the throttle position sensor, connected somewhere around on the throttle body. On this particular vehicle, it's located right under the throttle position sensor. So they're usually in that same vicinity. Here's your throttle body right here, and then underneath here is the IAC valve. All right, just kind of go over the function of what the idle air control valve does. Basically, it controls the idling speed of your engine. When these do go, they can either be stuck open or closed, and they can cause your engine to have just very high idling speeds or very low or stalling, or you can have irregular idling speeds as well. So in the case of this one here, looking at this one, I'm probably just going to go ahead and replace it anyway on the vehicle, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can also clean it, which is more of like a temporary fix. You really should change them out. They're not that expensive, but let's go ahead and get started with that. You'll notice this one here has a lot of buildup around the spring and just all over it really. It just looks pretty bad. The spring is also very tight, which is also causing a problem there with that. So what we're going to do is just use some of this carburetor cleaner, and we'll spray that and use that to clean it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, take the carburetor cleaner, go ahead and spray it real good. Spray it real good down in the spring and all over. Just really kind of work it so we can get this cleaned out. And then wipe it down real good. And then we'll be back in a minute. I'm going to work on it a little bit, spraying it with carburetor cleaner and just really clean it up real good, and then we'll be back to see how it looks. Okay, so went ahead and cleaned it. You can see it looks a lot better. The spring is all nice and clean. Everything is extended properly. Everything else looks good. I'm going to clean a little bit more, spray a little more on there, wipe it off, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in and make sure everything is good to go. Okay, everything is all clean here, and you can see it. The carbon's been removed. This is now easily pulls in and out right there, where before it was jammed, it would not go back and forth. So now that's working properly, so that way it can open and close as it should. So we're done cleaning it, and it looks like it was a success. Well, here it is now. We have the idle air control valve completely cleaned. All the carbon is off of there. The spring now is fully functional to where you can go ahead and you can put that in and pull it back out, and it's nice and solid, and it functions the way it should. It's all clean, good to go. We tried it out in the car, worked fine. So please send any questions and any comments you may have. As always, I appreciate the support. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.